Let's look at the factors. Why India seems to be the most attractive bet to grow your money right now. Number 1. Geopolitical advantage amid global tensions. As geopolitical tensions rise between global superpowers like the United States and China, India is strategically positioned as a neutral and increasingly influential player. India's strong diplomatic ties with both the West and major Asian economies make it a safe and attractive destination for businesses seeking to diversify supply chains and reduce exposure to geopolitical risks. Its participation in global alliances, like the Quad, coupled with its non-aligned stance, strengthens its appeal as a stable investment environment. Number 2. Rapid economic growth. India is projected to be one of the fastest-growing major economies. With a large and young population, the country has a robust consumption base and is set to benefit from rising income levels, urbanization, and industrial expansion. Number 3. Favorable demographics. India has one of the youngest populations in the world, with over 50% of its population under the age of 30. This demographic dividend will drive consumer demand, innovation, and a growing labor force, fostering long-term economic growth. Digital transformation. The Indian government's push for digitalization, including initiatives like Digital India and increased access to high-speed internet, has opened up new sectors for investment. These sectors include fintech, e-commerce, and IT services, all of which are expected to experience exponential growth. Government reforms and policy support. Over the past decade, India has implemented various structural reforms aimed at improving ease of doing business, increasing FDI, and encouraging private sector participation. Policies such as the Goods and Services Tax Production, linked incentive schemes, and Make in India are creating an investor-friendly environment. Infrastructure development and urbanization. India is investing heavily in infrastructure, including highways, railways, and smart cities. This development, alongside increasing urbanization, will create vast opportunities across real estate, transportation, logistics, and other allied sectors, driving long-term growth. This positioning makes India a highly attractive investment option, particularly as global uncertainties increase. Let's delve into the investment opportunities that India offers. With a rapidly growing economy and a youthful population, India is a land of immense potential. Sectors like technology, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy are booming, making them ripe for investment. India's role in global supply chains is becoming increasingly significant. As companies around the world seek to diversify their manufacturing bases, India emerges as a prime destination. With its skilled labor force, competitive costs, and strategic location in Asia, India is poised to become a critical hub in the global supply network. India is not just a rising star in the global supply chain, it is also becoming a hotbed for technological innovations and startups. Over the past decade, the country has witnessed an explosion of entrepreneurial activity driven by a young and ambitious population. As India surges ahead in technological innovations and startups, the role of education and skill development becomes more critical than ever. The country has made significant strides in improving its educational infrastructure, with a focus on both traditional and vocational training. As India embarks on its journey towards rapid development, environmental sustainability remains a key priority. The country is making significant efforts to balance economic growth with ecological preservation. India's government and private sector are investing heavily in renewable energy sources. Solar and wind farms are becoming increasingly common, contributing to a cleaner, greener future. The nation is also taking steps to combat pollution and improve air quality. Initiatives like the National Clean Air Program aim to reduce particulate matter levels across major cities. Community-driven efforts are equally impactful. From tree plantation drives to waste management projects, citizens are actively participating in creating a sustainable environment. Education plays a crucial role in these endeavors. Schools are now incorporating environmental studies into their curriculum, fostering a generation that is more conscious of their environmental footprint. India's commitment to environmental sustainability is not just a policy, but a movement embraced by its people. This holistic approach ensures that progress today does not come at the expense of tomorrow. Stay tuned as we explore more facets of India's dynamic journey towards a sustainable future in the upcoming chapters. As we look towards the future, India's trajectory appears promising. With a robust framework for sustainable growth and a clear vision for the future, the nation is poised to become a global leader. Economic projections suggest that India could become the third largest economy in the world by 2030. Driven by its youthful workforce and innovative spirit, the government's focus on long-term planning and policy reforms will continue to attract foreign investments, further fueling economic growth. India's role in the global arena is also set to expand. As the world grapples with geopolitical shifts, India's strategic positioning and diplomatic initiatives will play a crucial role in shaping global dynamics. From technology to healthcare, Indian startups are expected to lead the way in groundbreaking innovations that address global challenges. However, the journey ahead is not without obstacles. Issues such as income inequality, infrastructure bottlenecks, and environmental concerns will require concerted efforts and innovative solutions. Yet, with its resilient spirit and collective determination, India is well equipped to navigate these challenges and emerge stronger. In this ever-evolving world, one thing remains certain. India's future is bright, and its story of growth and transformation is just beginning. Join us as we continue to explore the multifaceted journey of this incredible nation.